Unbelievable how much wood and debris was under just this area. Right in here and up inside there. Okay. I'm going to get it out of here because guess what? Next time you get ready to sell your house, and if you don't pull it out, guess what the inspector's going to tell you that he found? He found all this stuff, and now he's going to have to pull it out. He's going to charge you to pull it all out, and he's going to charge you, now that he saw this, he's going to make the assumption, oh, okay, well, because this was strewn all out from underneath here, I am going to have to treat it with a termite spray, and I'm going to have to charge you an arm and a leg to do all that stuff and put it on the inspection report because I saw it. So there's a tip for you before you sell your house. Go underneath the areas, crawl holes underneath your house. If you have crawl areas under the house, look at stuff like this, pick it all up, fix your insulation, all this kind of stuff that I'm doing. A proper inspector for the next buyer of the house should catch it and should put that on a list of things that need to be corrected, things that need to be done, or that's why they're going to offer you $2,500 less on the price of the house because they found all this, and there might be possibilities of termite stuff too because the wood was down here and blah blah blah. Okay, so there's your tip for the day.
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.